Hello world. Hi, it's me, Freddy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to, I forget it. Let me see my script. Hello world. Sometimes you want to automate message sending on Telegram, but as a user, a normal user, not a bot, as a Telegram bot. And the interesting part is, Telegram always know what we need. They provide us with a user bot support, so we can automate message sending as ourselves. So, without further ado, let's get started. But first, you have to register your number with the Telegram. And then go to mytelegram.org. Then type in your phone number. I'll just type in my number. Click on next, and then you will get one-time password on your Telegram. Just put in the confirmation code here. Okay. You can go to setting, devices, scan QR code, and scan the code. Okay. Type in your cloud password if you set it. Okay, this is the confirmation code that you received. Paste it right here and then sign it. Then click on API Development Tools. Then you can use the API ID and the app API hash on your project. So, I will continue using this API ID and API hash on the next video. See you!